Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll see how to make a piano app in Code.org, which is a free website. Okay, let's then start. Here you can search for Code.org and get this one. And you can go and sign in. Yes, this is the home page of Code.org. You can get my dashboard and all. And here you have options Sprite Lab, Art Test Lab, App Lab, Game Lab, and Dance Party, and you have many more. So first we need to let's talk now how to make an app. Go to App Lab. In App Lab, you'll be getting this area. This is the screen, what you do, and this is the workspace. And it's a toolbox. You can go anywhere and make it do. This one is a basic app. So let's go to design. Here in design, you may get many options here. In there, click some of the buttons here. Let's see. I'll take another button. Okay. One last button. Done. And now you have made it in the design lab, and you can now go to code. In the code, you have to select in the UI controls on event ID callback. Here you have options, and first important thing first you have to go to design and do what I did, or else you'll not get these options. It means you'll get the options. In the ID you cannot change it. And I go here. I choose for button 1 and go down. See, little bit down. Where is it? Play sound. And you have to keep this as it is, and you can change it. Here are some of will be already installed, but if you want others, you can go to make new sounds. You can record or upload file. So I'll go to sound library. You can also record or make a file. I will go to instrumental. And this one. Is it? And let's choose it. And I have choose it. And again, you can take another one. Go up again. Take again the same one. And again, click on any other button. I click on button 3. You can be displayed on this. Play sound. In the play sound, again, what we did, do again. You can search, you can do anyone. And this is a free platform. And this time, I will select this. Okay. And one more for the last button, the third one. And here. And ID 4. Okay, that is the last one. Play sound URL. It's very easy one. Oh. Oh, no. Discussing sounds. Okay, you can also take your own one and upload or make a record of sound. And I'll do run. Let's. Whoa. Good. But I didn't upload any voices or record, right? That's why I did like this. You can upload or do it yourself. You can record or upload it. Okay, that was for today. I'll rename it. Name my piano. Okay. You can add how much you want, and this can be a little bit increased, but it will zoom a little bit. It will zoom like this. Okay, that's for today.